In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to disable animation in Windows 11 and how we can do this. Sometimes, in order to speed up a computer, you just need to disable the animation which will improve it most. So what you need to do is, in order to do so, we have to go over here in the search. We need to type here for settings, then you have to click on this. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go to the accessibility. From here, we have to go to the visual effects. There is an option called animation effects where you have to turn off this. Once you turn off animation effect, this is what we have to do as the first step. But even though that is not enough, we have to go over here in the search once again and we need to type adjust the appearance over here like this. So we'll be having an option here called this one where you have to click on this. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to make sure that animate controls an element inside Windows, animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, animations in the taskbar. All these three things at the top, that is 1, 2, 3, should be unchecked. If it is checked, you have to uncheck this. Make sure all the three is unchecked and go for apply, and you have to go for OK and you have to check. So these are the things that you need to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.